Hey there, so today we are discussing the fifth rule of indices, and this is the part 3 of this series. Now, for the fifth rule of indices, the law says that if we're given a raised to the power minus n, it will be equal to 1 over a raised to the power n. Now, I'm going to teach you how this law was derived. And besides, by the way, this law is an extension of the second law of indices, which says a raised to the power m divided by a raised to the power n will be equal to a raised to the power m minus n. Now, if you are not familiar with this rule, please check the part 1 of this series, the part 1 of laws of indices in my channel, where we discussed this rule, and it's very simple explanation. So please go back and check it before coming to watch the rule 5. Thank you as you do that. So in order to understand this, let's do an illustration. If we are given 5 raised to the power minus 2, according to rule 5, it says we will have equal to what? 1 over 5 raised to the power what? 2. Now the negative sign is turning into this 1 over. Then this 5 and this 2 becomes what? 5 raised to the power what? 2. But how was this law derived? Now let me show you. According to rule 2, if we are given 5 raised to the power 4 divided by, 5 raised to the power 2 divided by 5 raised to the power 4. According to rule 2, we will have it to be equal to 5 raised to the power what? 2 minus 4. That will be equal to 5 raised to the power what? Minus 2, right? Which is the question we were given originally. But obviously, 5 raised to the power 2 divided by 5 raised to the power 4 is same thing as make 5 multiplied by 5, which is 5 raised to the power 2 in 2 places. That is 5 in 2 places. Now divided by what? 5 in 4 places, which will be 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5 also multiplied by 5. Now we have 5 in 2 places, 5 in 4 places. If we are to divide, 5 cancels 5, 5 cancels 5, we'll be left with what? Now there is 1 here. It will be left to equal to 1 raised to the power what? 5 multiplied by 5, which will be equal to 1 over 5 raised to the power what? 2. And that was how they got the fifth rule of indices. Now look, 5 raised to the power 2 divided by 5 raised to the power 4 is equal to 1 over 5 raised to the power 2. Now 5 raised to the power is still the same thing as this. So we can say 5 raised to the power minus 2 will be equal to what? 1 over 5 raised to the power 2. Now this is true for any value of a. Any value of a. If we are given 3 raised to the power minus 2, we can say 3 raised to the power 1 minus 3 raised to the power 1 divided by 3 raised to the power 3, which will become 3 raised to the power 1 minus 3, which will be equal to 3 raised to the power minus 2. Now when you do the remaining steps for here, you have what? Bringing this 3 raised to the power 1, we have 3 over what? 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. Now if we divide, we have what? 1 equals to 3. That is, this 3 multiplied by 3 will be what? 3 raised to the power 2, which will be 1 over what? 3 raised to the power 2. Now they made it simple for us by giving us rule 5. And that is the essence of learning the rules of indices. Now don't just watch and go like that. Please, if you want to wish me a Merry Christmas, please like the video, and if you want to wish me a Happy New Year, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.